Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. So, this has been in the box for over a month, I think. And we'll be unboxing it for the first time. And only. So what this is, it's a poster. And we'll find out which poster it is. Obviously I know, but you probably might not. So first... Well, we have to get the sticky tape off. It's a lot harder than it looks. I think I might cut some of these parts out. Oh. Okay, that's that done. Here we go. And then, yep. I wonder how it will look, even though it's been in the packaging for over a month, and I've been waiting for this forever and ever. Be a minute to get into position. Okay, so now I adjusted the camera slightly. You might have a better view of the poster, and you also get a view of Jake as well. There's nothing. See that perfectly? Yep. Here it is. I know it's not the best. Wait. I think this is the best you can ever get of the. I'm looking at my phone now, and this is the poster. Looks quite good, although it's quite outdated because Jake's performing, and we know that's not going to happen, although it's best not to make that joke. So, there we have it. Unboxing of the official TMF poster. And also, if you're wondering why the location is quite different than before, it's because I'm filming this as I'm on holiday in London, and obviously the climate there is as hot as Stacey's mum. Anyways, that's it for this video. Bye.